This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear light bulbs renewal. Open the rear doors of the vehicle. Release the door stay to access the rear lamp unit. Note the position of the two retaining nuts that secure the lamp unit to the vehicle. Undo both nuts and pull the lamp unit rearwards. Detach the lamp unit from its ball joints and disconnect the wiring connector from the lamp unit as it is removed from the vehicle. With the rear lamp unit on the bench, release the retaining tabs and remove the bulb holder assembly from the rear of the light unit. All the bulbs have bayonet fittings. The relevant bulb can be removed by pressing it in and rotating it anti-clockwise. Fit the new bulb by pressing it in and rotating it clockwise. Refit the seal and fit the bulb holder to the lamp unit. Reconnect the wiring connector to the lamp unit and fit it to the van, ensuring the ball joints fit into position. Fit and tighten the upper lamp unit securing nut and the lower securing nut. Reattach the door stay. Check the new bulbs operate correctly before driving the vehicle.